Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you guys are new to my channel, my name is Minky and this is The Glam Guide. Please make sure you hit that subscribe button right down below there before you leave so you can join the Glammy gang. So today I am going to be doing a full face of a drugstore makeup, but these are like my favorite products. These are products that I've been using over and over and over again. They all work really well. I love them, and these are the drugstore products that I definitely recommend to you if you're looking to try out a couple of new things. So if you guys would like to see the look that I create with my drugstore favorites, then just keep watching. I'm going to be taking my LA Girl Pro Conceal Concealer and priming my eyes with it. When it comes to concealers, guys, like, I'm just so particular. Like, I'm just so picky when it comes to my concealers. For the price, the color range, everything, these are the best concealers. So to set my eyes, I'm going to be going in with my Maybelline Master Fix powder. I love this stuff for setting my eyes because it literally makes your eyelids feel like velvet. It makes them feel so smooth. I'm actually getting ready to go out. Mangi and I are going to go watch Black Panther tonight. I know, right? I'm like the only person that hasn't seen Black Panther yet, but to be honest, guys, I literally just haven't had the time. So tonight, because he's leaving for his last away match tomorrow, tonight we are going to go watch Black Panther and have some dinner. So that's going to be fun. So I don't know if I want like a really glam look or something more chilled. So I'm going to start with my NYX Lid Lingerie eyeshadow, and I'm going to go in with this orange color here, and that is going to be my transition shade. I feel like NYX was one of the best drugstore brands for me because in terms of the quality of their product, I mean, ugh. I'm going to go in with my NYX Fire palette, and I'm going to go in with this purple color, and I'm going to create a halo. I completely changed my mind on what I want to do, so I'm going to be doing a halo eye. I'm just putting this on the outer and inner corners of my eye, and then I'm going to blend it out in a second. I'm going to take a small fluffy brush and then just blend this, just so that I can connect either side. But I didn't add any more product, I'm just blending with the clean brush. For the middle, I'm going to be using my Wet n Wild palette. This one is called Angels and Aubergine, and I'm going to be using this purple color right here, and it is so pretty. Oh my gosh. This is actually not doing what I needed it to do, to be honest. I'm going to use this champagne gold color in the middle, and then that's what I'm going to use to stamp that right in the middle. That looks a bit better. I'm gonna go in with some of the black in the palette. I'm just gonna define that a little bit more. I'm gonna use my finger and just pack that on a little bit more. Now that's so much better. Guys, don't you love Oros? Sure. I added some eyeliner. Let me find it for you. If only you guys could see how messy this table is. Lord. So I used the NYX Professional Epic Ink Liner for my eyeliner, and then I added eyelashes, and these are my Eyelure 117s. Guys, I mean, this is obvious. I've been using these eyelashes consistently, loving them for like the past two and a half years. I'm going to start by priming my face with my NYX Angel Veil Primer. I can't get like the formula of this right. I don't know if it's like silicone based, because it kind of feels like silicone based, but it also feels like a moisturizer. I actually really like this primer. For a drugstore primer, it actually works pretty darn well. For foundation, I'm going to be using my NYX Total Drop Control Foundation. Oh no, this foundation is bomb. That's why it's still sold out like all over the world. But NYX needs to get a move on because we're going to get over the fact that we've had to wait so long, and I need a refill You know, I'm literally like, I'm that type of person. Like, as much as I love a product, if it goes out of stock for way too long, I forget it. I'm just like, okay, I'm gonna move on to something else. For concealer, I'm going to be using my Maybelline Fit Me. This is also a really good drugstore concealer, but my only beef with this is that it's not as thick as the LA Girl. So if you're going for like an everyday, like a natural look, then this will be perfect. But if you're going for that beat, honey, this just, for me personally, this doesn't do the job. I have to go in with it like a couple of times for me to get the coverage that I want if I'm going for a super like highlighted beat look. It blends out so flawlessly though. It blends out really well. For powder, I'm going to be using my Rimmel Stay Matte powder. You guys know how much I love this stuff. I mean, you can tell how much I love it. Guys, drugstore products are the plug. Like, obviously there are some that are shitty, but I feel like even with high-end products, there are some that like aren't great. Do you know what I'm saying? I think it's just a matter of like trying different products out and finding the ones that work and the ones that don't. I'm going to be contouring my face with my Matte and Poreless powder from Maybelline. This one is in the color Espresso. I cannot tell you how creamy these powders are. To contour, girl, these are mad creamy. She's so creamy. They literally blend like a dream. They are so good. For blush, I'm going to go in with another Maybelline product, and this is the Master Blush Palette from Maybelline. And I'm thinking I'm going to go in with something, I think I'm going to go in with this deep, oh, but that might be too much. I don't know. Okay, let's go in with these two colors. So I'm just going to mix them in like so. We are going to use what is probably my favorite drugstore highlight right now. This is the Wet n Wild highlight powder. This one is in the color Precious Petals. Guys, this highlight is everything and more. Oh, look at that. It's like wet. It looks wet. It makes my face look, oh yes. For lips, I just lined my lips with any brown lip liner, and then I'm going to be using this Rimmel Stay Matte Liquid Lip Color, and this one is in the color Mocha. These are so good. I really love these liquid lipsticks. Like, the red one is probably one of my favorite red liquid lipsticks ever made. Guys, so I think that we, myself included, have forgotten that I'm actually just going to the movies. I'm not even going anywhere like nice. I'm going to like a mall in the West Rand. So anywho, that is it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed my full face of a drugstore favorites. If you did, please give me a big thumbs up. Comment down below and let me know what else you would like to see. I was thinking of doing the same thing but with luxury, like high-end luxury products. So let me know if that's something that you guys would like to see. I love you guys all so much. Please make sure you're subscribed and I will see you all in the next one. Mwah. Bye.